CPT RVA, page 270, exercise 157, level 1.
Radiology. Patient comes into his physician's office complaining of wrist pain. Physician gives the patient an injection and sends the patient to the hospital for an arthrography. Code the complete procedure.
Okay, this is a radiology section of the CPT book, and the problem reads like this again. The patient comes into his physician's office complaining of wrist pain. The physician gives the patient an injection and sends the patient to the hospital for an arthrography. Code the complete procedure. Okay, we need a CPT code for this problem. Okay, so we're going to count to 3, and you can pause the video and then give us the CPT code. Okay, 1, 2, 3. All right, there are 2 codes, 25246 and 73115. You got that? If you got it, just go to the next video. If you didn't get it, let's give you a couple of tips. All right, the first tip is
there are 2 codes for the 2 procedures, 1 for the injection and 2 for the X-ray.
Right, the first one is for the injection. Yeah, you're going to get injected in order to prepare your body for the X-ray. So that's 1 code. And 2 is for the actual X-ray. Okay, so there are 2 codes. Now the second tip.
From the code for the injection, you get sent to the code for the X-ray. Therefore, there is no path for the index for the X-ray.
Right, there's an index for the injection. You go to the regular way, you find the injection, and then at the end they tell you go here for the X-ray. So you don't have to go to the index, you just go from the tabular. So for the second code, there's only a tabular check, okay? So, okay, with these 2 tips, try to get the codes. You're aiming for 25246 and 73115, okay? When I count to 3, so you can pause the video. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's give you the whole summary of the problem, okay? The problem is the radiology section of the CPT book, and it reads like this. The patient comes into his physician's office complaining of wrist pain. The physician gives the patient an injection and sends the patient to the hospital for an arthrography. Code the complete procedure, okay? There are 2 codes. The code 1 through the index is found like this.
First you go to index, then you go to injection, then you go to wrist, then you go to radiologic,
and what do you find?
25246.
Okay, we're going to check this code in the tabular, right? So the code 1 through the tabular is checked like this.
First you go to
tabular,
then you go to 25246,
which is the only code that they give you, and what does it say there?
It says injection procedure for wrist arthrography.
And in parentheses?
For radiological supervision, use 73115.
Which means that they're giving you the second code for the actual X-ray. So that's why you don't have to go to the index. You already have to check this code in the tabular. So we're going to check the code 2 through the tabular.
First you go to tabular. Then you go to 73115.
Which is the code they gave you. And what does it say?
Radiologic examination, wrist, arthrography.
Which is exactly what we want. And that's why there's an equal sign there, which means that this is our second code, right? So the answer is 25246, 73115. Thanks for watching. Please visit our website. Thanks.